beautiful. This is Kirasecret Skincare. Guys, you're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. Thank you to all my amazing subscribers. But guys, if you've not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button down below, like and share my video. Guys, also follow me on my Instagram page at Kirasecret Skincare. Also follow me on my logistic page at Kirasecret Logistics. They will ship worldwide through DHL, through cargo, with the net tracking number for you to track your goods. 3 to 5 working days, your goods will get to you at your doorstep. We are the #1, the champion. We don't just ship, we ship and we follow up. Okay, let Mommy Kira ship for you. Okay, and also you can shop on my website at www.kirasecretskincare1.com. Our Arabian lotion is there, our Snow White set is there, our half cast, our instant white, our porcelain soap, our porcelain oil. Guys, all our products is on the website. Also, we sell original branded product that are on the website. Okay, go to the website and shop. If you don't know how to shop, send me a message on WhatsApp. I'll send you a short video on how you can shop on the website properly. It's very easy and fast. Then you're always asking me, Mommy Kira, how much is this, how much is that? Go to the website and shop, ma. It's very easy. I love you guys so much. God bless you. God bless your family. Thank you, guys. Today I'll be showing you guys how I made this Arabian Fairness Super Whitening soap. This soap is very strong and effective. Very effective. Is a lightening stroke whitening soap. This soap works very well. If you are this kind of person that does not like using cream and all that, get this soap. And the soap is very affordable. Guys, this soap is very good and effective. Okay, if you have dark spot, hyperpigmentation, blemishes on your skin, it will fade it away. This one is not hyping. This soap is very effective. It's the #1, the champion. You guys, I don't even know how to explain everything about this soap. This soap is very good. I used soap base on this Arabian Fairness Whitening soap. I don't know that as I was preparing it, my camera was not even rolling. I thought my camera was rolling, not knowing that my phone was saying memory full. But anyhow, I said I will still video it. Okay, I will still video it and show you guys. Look at, I've already soaked this soap. This is 15 kg. I'm producing it for a customer. Shout out to my amazing customer. Her name is Sarah. Yes, Sarah, God bless you for patronizing. Okay, God bless you. She said, Mommy Kira, I want 10 kg, guys. That is what I'm producing. Then I said, okay, let me film it and show my amazing subscribers how I made it, not knowing that as I was putting the base soap, everything, soaking the soap, is not even my phone was not even capturing it. It's saying memory full. But what I use here, okay, what I use here is soap base. Okay, I use the soap base 15 kg. I also soaked the soap base with a shower bath. You can use any shower bath of your choice. Okay, I'll show you guys what I used to soak my own. I use my over white shower gel to soak this soap. Okay, you can use any shower bath of your choice. Okay, you can use any shower bath of your choice. Over the counter shower bath, you can use it, but me, I use my over white strong whitening shower bath. This shower bath, if you want it, is on the website. Okay, over white strong whitening shower bath. That is what I used. I used 2 liters to soak this 15 kg base soap. Okay, yes, that is it. And I left it for 3 days to soak. You understand? That is why I'm showing you guys everything. Please, you can use any shower bath of your choice. You can get the over white strong whitening shower bath on the website and use it. But if you don't want to get the over white shower bath, you can get any over the counter shower bath that you want to use. Anyone that you have, use it. Okay, just get your base soap 15 kg. Okay, and I soaked it for 3 good days. Okay, this is the third day. I want to start putting all my ingredients inside. Please like. This is niacinamide powder. This is 𝐂𝐍𝐿 powder. This is Snow White powder. This is Secret White Strong Whitening Serum. This serum is very effective. You can use this serum to activate your lotion, your face cream, your Molato soap, your black soap, your shower bath, your liquid facial wash, your scrub, virtually everything. It comes in 3 range: the Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and the Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. It's very, very effective, guys. I've been using it since last year and it has been giving me good results. Since I started using it on my production, I've stopped using so many serums, so many concentrates, and so many oils in my video, because like I explained in my previous video, the more you use all those different concentrates, different serums and different oils, sometimes it can cause chemical reaction on your customer's skin, and sometimes your customer might start complaining they are having white patches, white dots, blemishes and all that on their skin. That is better for you to just use one steady brand and start using it and get amazing results. This has been working well for me. That's why you see Mommy Kira talking about it. It's like an update for me, telling all of my amazing subscribers how amazing Secret White Serum Concentrate, Secret White Strong Whitening Oil, and the serum has been helpful to my production. Guys, I'm putting 500 ml inside. It's very, very active. This Secret White Strong Whitening Serum does not give no green vein, no stretch mark, no white dots, no white patches, nothing of such. Instead, it will blend your skin. If you have Coke and Fanta color, if your skin you have discoloration, if you use this Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, Secret White Strong Whitening Oil, it will blend your skin. Your skin will be uniform and very clean. It's guarantee. It's guarantee. Yeah, this is the Secret White Strong Whitening oil. This oil is very active, guys. This oil whitens the skin. It also lightens the skin also. Like I said, if you want to make your whitening body oil, go and watch the video and use 𝐔𝐽 to activate. With like I use Secret White Strong Whitening Oil to activate 𝐵𝐷𝐃 turmeric super whitening oil. Go and watch the video and see the way I mixed it. You see the reaction, you see how perfect it is. Okay, this is Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. Like I explained, that me getting 𝐶𝐶𝐄𝐒 oil, getting better so oil, different type of oils mixing together. I don't need to do all that. This will give me my job. This will give me that job, that whitening effect, the job I want in my soap. I don't need to start getting the 4, 5 oil mixing up together anymore. I don't need. This is very strong and very effective. That means getting 𝐶𝐶𝐄𝐒 oil, also getting better so oil, getting glutathione terminal oil. I don't need all that, my dear. Just get the Secret White Strong Whitening oil, put it in your soap, put it in your lotion, put it in your face cream, either your scrub, anything, and come and thank Mommy Kira. This product is super good. Oh, as I started using it since last year, and the result is amazing. Like this that I'm producing is a client's order. I'm just shooting the video for my amazing subscriber to see how I'm making it. Okay, you can see it. Very, 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 very active. This Arabian Fairness Whitening soap is amazing. You can go to the website and place your order. It's on the website. Yes. If you want Mommy Kira to produce for you, please chat me up. If you have money to do business, please chat me up. Let Mommy Kira produce for you. Okay? If anything you want me to produce for you, just let me know. I will do it. Okay? I love you guys so much. Okay? We'll be putting... Yeah, we put adding glycerol, vegetable glycerol. Okay? Just put 100 ml of glycerol. Okay, if you don't have glycerol, you have propylene glycol, you can just put inside, okay, for moisture, so that your skin will be moisturized, okay, and you have this sweet skin tone. Some people will say, Mommy Kira, why are you not adding crude kenako or Shenic perfect leg? I don't need to add it in this production because I don't need to add it. It's only when you add so many different serums, so many different concentrates, so different serum, that is when you'll be adding all those Shenic perfect leg stage 2, all those anti-stretch mark. You don't need it. You don't, in this my own production, you don't need it, because none of my customer says they have stretch mark. None. You don't need it. It's only when you add plenty product, different type of product, different type of serum, different type of concentrate, different type of oil, that is when you want to put all those things, maybe stretch mark, ample, all those things. But no, you don't need it. When your recipe is direct and straightforward, you don't need all those things. You don't need it. You understand me? Because what you are producing, you are sure of it. Your customer can never have green vein, they can never have stretch mark, they can not, even though they have on their skin, it will clear off. You understand me? It is when you add so many serum, so many orishi things inside, that is when you will go and be putting anti-stretch mark, all those things. You don't need it. Okay, then I'll add papaya oil, 15 ml. Okay, then this is grapeseed oil. Okay, 50 ml. This grapeseed oil will moisturize the skin. Guys, if you've watched up to this part, please subscribe, like that button. Okay, it's free of charge. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please share my video to your loved ones. Please, if you've watched up to this part, please like that button. It's free. Subscribe also, please subscribe, so that I can drop more amazing and direct recipes. Yeah, this is my fragrance. I added like 3 different type of fragrance: banana, vanilla, and strawberry. Okay, and this is a German plus. Okay, for preservative. Okay, I'm adding 150. Guys, as I'm pouring it, I've already measured it out too. Guys, please like, subscribe, and follow. Please follow. Okay, follow me on my Instagram page at Kirasecret Skincare. Follow us on our new logistic page at Kirasecret Logistics. There we ship worldwide through DHL and through cargo. Okay, also follow me on my TikTok page at Kirasecret Skincare. Also on Facebook at Kirasecret Skincare. Guys, like and share my video. Please, if you watch up to this part, please click the like button. It's free of charge. Please like, subscribe. Hello, beautiful. This is Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. This product is very effective, guys. Now is in 120 125 ml bottle. This product is super effective. It's super strong. If you're producing for your customer and your customer that are complaining that the product is not working, the product you are producing for them is not working, worry no more. Go and get Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. This product is very effective. You can't put it directly on your skin. You have to use it to produce, mix with your production for your customer to come back. It's super active and very, very effective. Okay, if you want to partner, okay, they need more distributor all over the world, in France, USA, Canada, Mexico, Europe, Germany, Switzerland, okay, Ghana, Togo, Mali, Gabon, okay, everywhere. Please, if you are interested, chat us up, okay, chat the number up on the screen and let's do business together. They're going to put your number on the screen, okay, so that anybody that wants to buy in your city will contact you directly. Hurry up, because this product is the number one, the champion. It's very, very effective. You can also buy in gallon. People that are promising, big promisers, okay, you can buy in gallon from 500 ml, from 1 liter, for 2.5, 5 liters, 10 liters. Those are for big producers. But if you want to be selling in bottles, it's not available in 125.